welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here and I am back with another video. So today's video is about my box braids. I tried the rubber band method for the first time and I absolutely loved it. I never tried doing the rubber band method before because I don't know what I thought. Honestly, I just was taking a really long time, like the same thing with passion twists, right? I'm just like, procrastinating on doing passion twists. Eventually I'm gonna do it, but I just don't know when. So I finally decided to try the rubber band method, mostly because some of you know, but not everyone knows, that I'm pregnant and I cannot handle doing my natural hair right now. I'm exhausted all the time. I don't have the energy or the patience, and I just don't want to do them. So I need a protective style, and I love box braids. I've always loved box braids. I've never done them on my channel because I felt like they were never coming out good whenever I would do them knotless. So it was just always like a fail video, and I didn't want to post it or anything. And besides that, like, trying to figure out how to make them look good was just difficult. But for some reason, when I did the rubber band method, it just all came together. So these are my braids. I did the diamond parts, like the triangle parts in the front, and then in the back I did regular box braid sectioning. I came across a video of someone doing box braids for someone else, and they did the triangles in the front and the regular box braids in the back, and I thought that was really smart because I wanted the triangles, but I just felt like it was gonna be too difficult to try to figure out how to part that without having help. So when she said I did the regular box sections in the back and then triangles in the front, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that. So that's what I did. I really love them. They're exactly what I wanted, exactly what I imagined they would be. I use expression hair in the color brown, number 4, and I think they're great. The hair feels really soft. I put the hair jewelry in, and honestly, everyone says that it only takes about an hour to do the rubber bands and then 3 hours to put the actual hair in your hair. It took me longer, mostly because I was doing a lot of stopping and going. Like, I would, take a break here and there because, like, I can't sit for too long, nor can I stand for too long. So I'm like, taking breaks, trying to stretch, doing other things. So that's why it took me a long time. I feel like if I wasn't pregnant, it probably would have took me like around that time that everyone says, like an hour to put the rubber bands in and then 3 hours to put the hair in. It took me like 2 days to do this because I was all over the place, super tired. Like, I was just all over the place. So that's why it took me a long time. I deep conditioned my hair. I did like egg, mayonnaise, conditioner, honey, and oil. Mixed that together, left it in my hair overnight, washed it out the next day. And then after that, I started the process of putting in the braids. I used some twist and lock control gel from Cantu and jojoba oil, and I also used some gorilla snot gel to put before I put the rubber bands in. I used those products. I used that, and I felt like it really helped with making my roots flat. So that's why I did that. I have, clips in the rest of the video of showing you guys me washing my hair, showing you guys putting in some of the rubber bands, and then showing you guys doing some of the braids. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you're interested in my makeup look that I did, you can stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe to my channel so you can see that. And if you are interested in any of my pregnancy updates, you can check the link in the bio or just head on over to my channel. I'm 24 weeks tomorrow. So I need to, record my 23-week update video. That will be dropping soon. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.